In this 2-minute tech tip, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your dirt bike steering stem bearing races. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? If you guys are new, my name is Greg Hitchko, and this channel specializes in dirt bike builds, moto how-tos, and product reviews. But in this video, we're going to be installing some new steering stem bearing races into our Kawasaki KX250 dirt bike. So this process is going to be the same for any dirt bike you have, so let's dive into it. So to get these things installed, we're going to start with some type of heat, like a torch, some Maxima waterproof grease, and I've also got this Motion Pro steering stem bearing race driver tool, and then along with the bearing races that I've had sitting in the freezer overnight. Grab yourself a sweet hammer as well. So with these races being frozen, hopefully they kind of shrunk up a little bit in the freezer, so it's a little bit easier to get them in, and then hopefully the heat will expand the head tube a little bit on these frames to help those bearing races slide right in. So this Motion Pro tool is what I use to drive the bearing races into the frame. Now it comes with a couple of these couplers. So on big bikes, you're gonna need the 55 to 56 millimeter coupler, and then the other side of it has the 51 to 52 millimeter coupler. So just basically a little bit smaller and a little bit larger. So on the Kawasaki, I've got two different bearing races, one larger one smaller one. So the 55 to 56 millimeter coupler is gonna fit in there nicely, so you're able to drive the bearing race in there smoothly and evenly. Top race is a little bit smaller, so then we'll take it off and flip it over and use the 51 to 52 millimeter size, and then that's just gonna catch on the lip of that race as well. And then also, guys, if you have a mini bike, this tool comes with a 47 to 48 millimeter race driver, and then a 41 to a 42 millimeter race driver as well. So I'm gonna start with the top, and first step is to torch the inside of where the race goes. Grab that first top race and grease it up with some Maxima waterproof grease. Go ahead and evenly position that smaller race onto the frame. Then with the Motion Pro tool set up with the 51 to 51 millimeter head facing out, use the hammer to drive that bearing into the frame. And then flip the head of the Motion Pro tool over and then do the same process for the bottom one. Now for the bottom one, if your bike is completely assembled, you're just gonna have to leave it on that frame. You're not able to flip the frame over like I can with this one, with just a bare frame, but you should have enough weight with everything else assembled on the bike to drive that bottom race into the frame with the bike completely assembled. So there's your 2-minute tech tip on how to get those steering stem bearing races installed into your frame. That Motion Pro tool is gonna set you back about 50 bucks or so, really not too bad. If you guys are interested in grabbing one for yourself, there's a link in my description below. But that's all we got for the steering stem bearing race install 2-minute tech tip. As always, guys, ride hard, be safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.